Hello. Good to see you again. Let's start a new book entitled How to Achieve Your Financial Independence. Before we jump in, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. It takes 2 seconds of your time, and it means the world to us. Let's start with a definition. Financial freedom means the freedom from continuous financial responsibilities through a planned management and allocation of assets. However, financially free does not mean debt-free. In reality, it is prudent asset management that ensures debts do not become a burden but only a part of overall expenses. Financial freedom cannot be equated with being rich either. One must not forget that surplus wealth requires constant supervision. Thus, financial freedom may be defined as a lifestyle that blends expenses and income according to the individual preference. This makes financial freedom a more possible and convenient state of being. Time is money is the general belief in the professional world. This attitude does not allow space for leisure time. Yet, financial freedom changes this concept of work and enables a person to enjoy leisure without hampering their steady income. The entire concept of financial freedom is based on assets and investments that are compounded over time to generate money. However, this cannot be achieved without some structure and consistency. Furthermore, to achieve financial freedom, one needs to change their mindset and develop a new attitude towards earning money. One must realize that money is simply the means to achieve ends. Therefore, it is healthy and normal to earn money as long as one feels the ethical need to do so. In the end, one may say that financial freedom is the state of mind which works towards development through a process of self-liberation. Here are the most important and time-proven traits that could help you achieve your financial goals. Taking care of your health is number one on the list. Good health ensures that you not only have the physical and psychological vigor to meet and rise above the challenges of your life, it also assures that you shall be there to savor the success of your dreams being fulfilled. So do have periodic checkups with your physician, do regular exercise, and maintain a healthy diet. Defining your vision for your work and life is crucial to your success and is number 2 on the list. What do you want? Reinforce the vision by writing it down and constantly remember what it is you are working towards. Investing your money wisely is third. You should try and augment your income by investing your money beneficially. You could fund or start a business that you are passionate about. Otherwise, you could invest in safe market options. Save your money is in 4th position on our list. Allocate a certain percentage of your income to your savings on a regular basis and set aside this money every month, every time you receive funds or get paid. A convenient way to avoid the compulsive buying and the trap of budgetary mismanagement is to always remember to pay your savings account first. Lastly, spend your money wisely before any purchase. Ask yourself if you really need it. Only you can answer this question, but you must be true to yourself and your vision of financial independence. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe for part 2. Thanks for listening.